Okay, hello. Today I'm going to show you how to fix the Blackberry low sound problem. A lot of people have this problem. It's not a software problem, it's a hardware problem. So I found a way to fix it. All you have to do is take the back off. Just take the back off. You see this little camera gray box. You put your finger in the middle of that and in the middle of this earpiece right here. And then you squeeze those two together very hard. Your beer is gonna get a lot louder. So I'm gonna play a song. Okay, that's how it sounds when it's on max volume. And now I'm gonna like slightly decrease the volume, like without pressing this. See? See, for a moment there it got a lot less loud. So all you have to do is just it's very hard. So there's a contact or something, I don't know. And it's gonna get a lot louder again. So thank you and some comments.